Now, the reason why you have to put this in your house, the white umbrella protects, the residents from whatever afflictions of the house, no? Para kung may trabaho kayo sa labas na ginagawa. Remember, kapag ka nagtatrabaho kayo sa labas, na nakakabaro kayo ng energy or ng lack doon, anong problema natin? Pag bumalik ka ng bahay mo, di na-drain ka. Whatever pinaghirapan ninyo sa labas ng bahay ninyo, pag tulog nyo sa bahay ninyo, wala na. Na-wash away, na-wash out. Kasi nagtulog ka doon, nagstay ka doon. So that is the purpose of the white umbrella. So that whatever lack or whatever not so good na luck sa bahay mo, hindi mo na-absorb. That's the white umbrella. The 99 blessings so that even if the house is stagnant, meron at merong opportunities na papasok pa rin. Not as if it's a real shower of blessing, pero at least 99 na drizzles is a lot better than nothing.